step-by-step guide on how you can add an Ulta gift card to the app. First, you want to download the Ulta Beauty app. Then you will just log in or create an account if you don't have one already. The third step will be navigating to your account or wallet. On the app's home screen, locate and tap on the account icon or wallet option. It may be labeled as gift cards in some versions of the app. This section typically holds information about your loyalty rewards, saved cards, and gift cards. Then you will add your gift card. Once inside the wallet or gift card section, look for an option like Add Gift Card or Add New Card. You will be prompted to enter the gift card number and possibly a PIN, usually found on the back of the physical gift card or included in the email if it's an e-gift card. The second to last step will be saving the card, so after entering the gift card information, just save it. The gift card balance should now appear under your payment methods or as part of the Ulta app wallet. Use the gift card in store or online. You can now use your Ulta gift card balance when shopping online through the app or by scanning the barcode of the gift card at checkout in stores. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.